That's how long it took. So that was one. These were the things for me. Now, decision making. I know all of us in this room are wired very differently. We all have our own emotional responses, our physical responses to everything. It's so different. All our voices look different. We all have two eyes, one nose, two lips. Very good. But all of us look different here, unless we're twins. And when you are an author, you have responsibility for every character. For example, let me ask you, right? How did you choose to get here? How did you choose to get to this place? You have a bike? Alright, anyone else choose any other mode of transport? Auto? What time did you guys decide to get here? Okay, why did you choose that seat? Yeah, so that's your character. You like this laid back stuff. Yeah, fair to say, maybe. Okay, but what I'm trying to say is everyone will choose differently about the same menu. Everyone is coming to the same menu, but everyone would have, some would have chosen a week back. Booked, yep, done, dusted. Some of them would have made up their minds this morning because that's the way they take decisions. But as an author, if I'm the author and we're all in this book together, I have to take decisions for everybody. Where she sits, how you come, what you wear. I have to take so many decisions for all of you, and all of you will have ramifications. Sitting there will have some consequence, nothing too bad, don't worry, but will have some consequence on her life. In the next chapter, something will happen. Maybe she meets him in this place, I don't know. Alright? Something. But that decision will have some ramifications. In my book, Wings of Silence, Saurav Sethi, the main character, gives up something very, very dear to him for someone very dear to him, and he will bear the consequence of that. Their father, Akshay Sethi, for example, chooses to favor one son over the other. He bears the consequence of that. So you take a lot of decisions. As a writer, for me, I chose to tell the book in first person. A big decision. Whether should I stay in third person? Should it be multiple first person? Should it just be one voice? It was a tough call.